Ayan, new recipe again. We have salad with cucumber, tomato, and then onion with egg, salty, and this is it. I put little bit sugar, little bit vinegar, little bit salt. So this is it, okay? Come, join us. Dinner time. You should like this light only in the night, okay? It's tasty, yummy, right? Look, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy ang aking salad with egg. Salty. Come on guys, join us.